I've been working at Tallman Equipment for nearly 10 years now. I am the rope fabrication department manager, and in that department we produce handline sets, winch lines, and slings that's used in the electrical industry. I like working at Tallman Equipment because they're the type of company that likes to put the best product out on the market. They want to be the best, and they want to provide the best service to their customers. We produce our own slings of our own design, but we also work with the customer to actually design a sling that would work properly for them. The handline sets, we have standard sizes that we build in stock, and we also custom build those for the customer's needs. My favorite part of my job is it's not the same routine every day. I like the different things that you may encounter during the day. It's just not a routine job that it's the same thing over and over every day. My name's Jimmy Howe, and I work at Tallman Equipment.